Hey food lovers! Welcome back to the channel, and a huge thank you to everyone who supported our last recipe. You guys are the best. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now, let's dive into today's mouth-watering recipe, simple lemon pancakes. You will love this. Let's get cooking. First things first, let's sieve our flour. That's the secret to getting that soft, smooth texture in your pancakes. Next, let's add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of sugar. Then give it a good mix to combine all the dry ingredients. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then grate in some fresh lemon zest. It gives our pancakes that amazing punch of flavor and freshness. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Every click truly means so much to us. Your support is what keeps us creating new recipes every week. Next, we're adding 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter to our sugar zest mix. You can also use poppy seeds instead. They'll give a slightly different texture, but both work beautifully. Mix it well to combine. Next, add 1 cup of milk and pour in our dry ingredient mixture and mix it in to form a smooth paste, not too thick and not too runny, just like what I am doing. Did you know chia seeds actually absorb up to 10 times their weight in liquid? They make pancakes extra moist and fluffy. Poppy seeds don't swell. They add more of a nutty crunch and a classic bakery-style texture. On a hot pan, drizzle some cooking oil and pour your batter into small portions. Cook on medium heat. This is key. It keeps our pancake fluffy and prevents it from burning. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Every click truly means so much to us. Some of you asked, how do I know when it's time to flip my pancake? Well, it's easy. Just read the bubbles. Once you start seeing bubbles form around the edges and a few in the center, that's your sign it's time to flip. After about a minute, a pancake is ready, golden brown and slightly crispy, just the way we wanted it. Look at that! Lastly, you can melt a little butter on top, sprinkle some poppy seeds and lemon zest. That's totally optional but adds a rich, creamy touch. Then drizzle some maple syrup for that sweet kick of flavor. Pure perfection. Our pancake is ready. Take a bite with me and see you on the next one. Enjoy!